Hello, hello! Here we are in the town of Kotor. Now we are gonna go for our first lunch in this historic town, and then probably we're gonna do what? To Old Town? Walk around Old Town? You want to? Yeah, is that a good idea? Yeah, and then we're gonna take you to the streets of the Old Town, which we have been told is more than 1,000 years old. So yeah, we're just gonna follow the Google and connect to the canal. So we were gonna follow the waterway, but because of Brittney's
Expert navigation.
expert navigation, we are going by road. Yeah, it looks quite cool, guys. Look at it. It's raining a little bit, but not a lot, so we are fine.
When I messaged you, like it was raining harder, like literally in like 2 minutes. It stopped raining.
Yeah, very nice scenery. So yeah, we are walking along the marina of Kotor, I guess, and what you will get to see, the nice scenery.
Did you actually have a sea view?
No, I have wall view.
Wall view?
Yeah.
We paid for sea view. Funny because I have to like really go out my window to see them.
I just have a wall view, to be honest. It's fine. We can spend the whole day. I don't need a sea view when I go to sleep.
I do.
I can't see with my closed eyes anyways, so it's fine. Oh, there is a timer. Wait. You want to wait. It's very different timer. They got that sandbox where you.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now it's gonna go faster. There we go. Here we are in some market. Wow, look at this. Look at the chilies.
Oh wow.
Are you seeing such chilies, guys? Hello. Not yet. Thank you.
Not yet.
Very busy market. Are we lost? Where are they? This one?
Yeah, I want to get those.
This is the Old Town, I guess, yeah?
Yeah.
As we walk to our restaurant, you're gonna see the historic Old Town of Kotor as well. I think it is United Nations heritage site as well. Wow. Really nice, guys. It's really nice, right?
It's really yeah, this is like
Yeah, it is bigger one. Bigger than the Budwa. At least for now, looks like. But it looks like we are going in opposite direction.
no, we're fine. I actually need it.
Huh?
It's not as cold as I thought it was.
Google almost took us to the wrong direction. It is again Brittney that has
Gotten us back on track.
yeah, back on track.
Okay, now we're going the right way. Oh my god. Okay, you see me? I have to walk slow. Literally, when I was in Burka, these shoes I discovered have no grip because I was slipping so much. cookies. Kind of reminds me of Brit.
Wow. Look at here, guys. Wherever you go, it is so nice. What about the shoes?
Each time, like.
Oh wow. I love these streets. So nicely.
Let me tell you about
They have more cat shirt options.
But we haven't come across any cats. Oh, I just spoke about. My God. I just mentioned it and there was one. Look at this one. Another one. Alright, so we should not underestimate Kotor in terms of cats as well. I guess not.
Left.
Have you booked the restaurant Kotor?
Huh?
Have you booked a restaurant in Kotor or out of Kotor?
Booked a restaurant?
The restaurant, yeah, this one. Hey, no, 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 no. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Look at this view, guys. The wonderful Kotor. Is this a river? I suppose, right? I would assume the water is coming from the mountains. It's a downstream, looks like. Yeah, very nice. I think this is gonna be the best walk to lunch.
Yeah.
Not like the one we had the other day. We are almost here.
Don't worry about me.
We are already here. In this case, we are not already here yet, guys. You are getting a proper walk to the restaurant, and then you will get to know what we will eat. Okie dokes. Looks like we are at our restaurant called Traka Restaurant. Oh. There is a cat. There is a cat. Hello, cat. Let's go in the restaurant. Wow. Why not? Why not? Look at this place, guys. All the credit goes to Brittney. She booked it while we were coming in the bus, and I was just killing the time somehow. Look at here.
Lead you astray.
Well, this restaurant has got a lot of vegan and vegetarian options, guys. So in case you are coming here, this could be your come-to place. Alright guys, we have got our food and the green tea to enjoy. In the food, I have got lasagne and she has got a vegan burger. It's time to enjoy. Yeah, that was our good lunch, guys.
Okay. Just making sure.
That's our winning streak continues of the good lunch. So hope you enjoyed. See you next time.